The biggest challenge in business isn't about looking back at where you've been. It's about knowing exactly where you're heading before you even get there. Come 2026, we are moving beyond static reports and stepping into the era of predictive business. I'm going to show you how Bitrix24 uses AI to forecast your sales pipeline and project success with amazing accuracy, so you can stop guessing and start growing. Bitrix24 AI analyzes your actual historical data and current lead behavior to predict which deals are most likely to close. This really helps sales managers allocate resources to those high-value opportunities earlier. The system also spots potential bottlenecks in the sales funnel, all before they affect your revenue targets. There's even an early warning system that helps prevent those end-of-the-month surprises. And beyond sales, the AI also evaluates project timelines, resource allocation, and even team velocity to forecast how likely you are to meet those deadlines. This takes the stress off project managers by automatically identifying these risks. It's really cool too because it actually provides real-time adjustments as new data comes in, so those forecasts get updated automatically on the fly. This is super important because it always makes sure that the roadmap is automatically grounded in reality. This turns the unified workspace into a living, breathing, automatic, unified tool. Alright, so we are going to take a look at how Bitrix24 actually works in real time. We are going to make sure we jump in and log in using our own account. There's HR automation, all the different bits and pieces. Okay, so we are actually logged into our dashboard here. Right now, we are in the CRM section. Everything is here. I know it looks like quite a lot, but it's really great. It's open, it's transparent, everything is here. Deals, leads, inventory, your customers, everything is set up and everything can basically be automated to make sure we get maximum efficiency and productivity. Okay, we want to make sure the money keeps coming in, and we want to analyze things effectively and automatically as the month goes by. Let me show you a bit of what we are talking about right here. So for example, in the new lead section here, we can just go in and take a look. You can key in all their information, like the name, the stage, the currency it's in, and put it in on the relevant date on the calendar. We can also just go over to the deals section here and have a look. These are all the different deals we have going on. As you can see, there's a new one here for mobile app development, going for 32K. We've got one here for 8K. There's a final invoice here at the end for our CRM integration at the enterprise level. Michael Carter at 18,500. So just to give you an example, we can go in here and receive the payment. So all the information behind this particular deal. You need to close on the money. You need all the data organized in one place, so it's transparent for everyone to see. You can even schedule a meeting here to remind Michael, you need to settle the payment, and everything is here. You can basically have everything set up, the invoice, the name, all in the in progress section. It's all here. The end date also, for example, we can just put it in there, and we can actually go and take a look at the sales section here. We've got sales channels, as you can see here, CRM forms, contact center. We've got the sales management here, CRM payment, the sales center, invoices, estimates, AI speech, repeat sales, import from third-party CRM, and CRM solutions. We've got an analytics tab, which is really cool as well. So, did analytics. This is all about continuing to improve the business through this column drop down here, as you can see, and everything's here. All the performance analytics and all that good stuff. We can go into the deal analytics section right now. Jump into the market section, real-time analytics, call analytics, for example. So we can actually see the sales funnel. We can see how much has been brought in from the leads. We can see the average lifespan there, the number of deals and the dollar amounts, all here on the graphs. Each individual graph is showing everything for the last 30 days, and it's really cool. You can actually see who the manager was, the number of leads they had, and everything like that. I love the employee performance section as well. That's good. You've got the sales trends here, the comparison, sales intelligence by analytics settings. Okay, so we can go out of here, back over to projects, which we can see here. We've got remote team launch. This is just another example of what you can do, the different work group tasks. Okay, so what do we need to do? Email follow-ups, client follow-ups. Gotta design the landing page. Who's responsible and for what time? What are the tasks? So this is really cool because you can really hold people accountable to what they're supposed to be doing within their roles. So for instance, we click into this one. It's a client review meeting. The assignee is Sarah Johnson. We've got the deadline, the status, when it was created, and the actual task owner itself, as well as anything else that you do need to attach onto this. So we've got the more section here, different deadlines. We can see what's due next week and the following week. It's really clear. Let us know in the comments section what you think. We can go into another section here. You can actually see it on the full skate calendar view here too, which is really helpful. Go over here to the Gantt section. Okay, so you've got the different ways you can view it, which is really cool. So depending on what you prefer, depending on maybe what country you're from, you might have some certain preferences as to how you would like to view this. As to the different products themselves, we've got everything. Automation, Copilot, collaboration, everything's here. The sales management, enablement, the analytics as we discussed before, the contact center, it's all here. So you can actually save up to 31% if you do go for their annual package. Standard is $99, and you can do a little plan comparison here, which is also super helpful as well. Got all the apps included with that flat pricing as well. The different resources as well, which I think is really cool. Whether you want to learn a bit more about it, you can read about it. I highly suggest you do, because yeah, it's a fantastic software. But honestly, there's quite a lot to learn if you want to master it fully, but that's a good thing. Got all the different industries as well, as we can see. Different goals, the tools, and depending on the business size as well, what's going to be more suitable for you, whether you're a solo entrepreneur, small business, import and export section, marketing tasks and projects. So by doing it this way and centralizing all business data into one comprehensive system, Bitrix 24 really ensures that these automated AI forecasts are actually based on a complete picture of where the company is at and not just isolated spreadsheets. And having all your communications in one place really allows you to feed the AI with enough data it needs to come up with these automations and bring out the best possible outcome for your business. Managers can really make use of these predictive insights to keep improving their businesses, instead of always just reacting to past failures. It really is an essential all-in-one operating system for those professional and advanced CEOs. And if you're a CEO who hasn't started using Bitrix 24 yet, you probably want to get on board soon. Stop relying on luck and start using data to predict your future. Click the link in the description to start your 15-day Bitrix 24 trial and see your 2026 forecast today. If you enjoyed today's video, everyone, please take a moment to smash the like button. It really helps the channel a lot. Subscribe if you want to see more AI-driven content like this. Turn on notifications so you won't miss those fresh videos when they drop, and leave a comment below. Have you started your free trial yet? It's really solid. We'll see you in the next one.